Hello everyone. So students of standard 7th, we are here with practice set 15, and the first question says that you can see an angle here. Some points are in the interior of the angle. This is the interior portion of the angle. Okay. And some points are in the exterior of this angle. Okay. So we have to write here first points in the interior. So I'll write here points in the interior. Points R, N, C and X. Okay, R, C, N and X. These are the points in the interior. Now they have asked points in the exterior. Exterior means you can see this Q, V, Y. They are in the exterior. So I'll write points Q, V, Y. Okay, and this is T, U. Okay, then points on the arms of the angle. So points on the arms. Which are the points on the arm? You can see A, W, G and B. So A, W, G and B. Okay, so let us move on to second one. Second one says that we have to write the pairs of adjacent angles. You know what is the meaning of adjacent? Adjacent means side by. Okay, what is the meaning of adjacent? It means baju wala. Okay, so if this angle I am saying ANB, what is the adjacent angle of ANB? Angle ANB has adjacent angle BNC. The adjacent angle of this is angle BNC. One more angle it has. If I take angle ANB again, this angle is also adjacent angle ANC. Okay, then if I take angle CNA, this angle if I take, or ANC if I take again, the adjacent angle of it is BNC. Okay, so in short we have taken all the angles. Okay, ANB has this angle and this angle. This ANC angle has this angle which we already wrote here, and this angle here. So BNC also came 2 times, ANC also came 2 times and ANB also came 2 times. So we have covered all the angles and we have written adjacent angle of each angle. Okay, now what can you see here? In sub question 2, the adjacent angles this angle has no adjacent angles. Only if you see this angle PQR has adjacent angle PQT, PQR and PQT. Okay, so these two are the adjacent angles. Okay, so with this we have done our second one. Let us move on to third one. Coming to sum number 3, they have asked, are these angles adjacent angles? Okay, if they are not adjacent, give reason. Okay, so first one, if you see angle PMQ, you can see angle PMQ and angle RMQ. Yes, they have one common arm. Okay, so yes, are adjacent angles. Okay, they are adjacent angles. Okay, let us see now angle RMQ and SMR. RMQ and SMR are not adjacent angles. Why they are not adjacent angles? Because S is in the interior of angle RMQ. Okay, if one of the side of the angle is in the interior, how can those two angles be adjacent angles? Okay, let us come to second one, angle RMS and angle RMT. Okay, they are also are not adjacent angles. Okay, they are not adjacent angles. Why? Because RMS you can see it is here and RMT you can see it is here. Okay, here also I'll write because S is in the interior of angle RMT. Okay, you can see this. Now let us see this angle SMT. You can see angle SMT and angle RMS. Yes, SMT and RMS. They are adjacent angles. You can see this angle and this angle. They are adjacent angles. So, are adjacent angles. Okay, very simple. Okay, so with this we come to the end of exercise number, practice set number 15. See you. Good luck.